Alright guys, so this is the Syx Moto whole shot. I bought this off of Amazon for $300 and it was $50 for shipping. I've had this thing for about 3 weeks. It's been doing great, and I decided that it's about time for a top speed test. So the only thing I really did to this is I put a little light on the front whenever I go up to the barn at night. I just put some zip ties on there. Other than that, I haven't done anything, and in a week I'm gonna do a 1 month review and just tell y'all kind of what I think and what issues might start up with the bike. But yeah, let's go ahead and top speed this thing. One thing I'll say about this bike is I like the exhaust, bro. For like, it's a 49cc two-stroke. The exhaust sounds amazing. So I weigh about 150 pounds and I'm 5'8". You really can't wear boots in these things, and you can barely turn the handlebars. Pretty much there's a slight uphill going up this way. It'll be a slight downhill, so there might be, you know, a vary in the miles per hour. So let's go ahead and do this thing. Ready? Alright, so on that one I got 19 miles per hour. Man, this thing's... I'm gonna let it cool down for a bit. That did not sound good. It's literally like the middle of October, and it's like 85 degrees out here in Texas. Let's go. Well, it went up to like 24, but it went like down to 13 and then back up. So I'm gonna let the bike cool down for a bit again, and then I'm gonna hit it up on, do it again, go up and then come back down. Here's that little light I was talking about. It doesn't look that bright, but at night it actually lights up pretty well. Alright, well that time we got 21 on the way up, so I'm gonna let it cool down again. It's getting so hot. I can just feel the heat on my leg. Please just don't blow up on me. That's what I'm asking for. Alright. Yeah, you're looking at about 23. So I mean, yeah, like what can I say? That's not bad for this thing. 23 miles per hour, and I'm like, you know, 150 pounds. Yeah, I'd really say you got the range between kind of 20 if you're going on a little uphill, and then 25 if you're going on a little downhill or something. Yeah guys, thanks for watching this video. That was the Syx Moto 1 month review coming on this thing pretty soon. Yeah, I'll see y'all on the next one.